Hey, everybody. Hey, y'all see? Hey. Hey, hey. All right, so I'm excited. I have my phone here, so it's playing some really cool music. So this electronic background music, it's used for studying. So this is like really, really good music here. Like if you have reading to do and you just want to be like really upbeat and you want to focus. So this is like it. Like this is good music right here. Like you can just go like, and then like you can study and like read and like you won't lose train of thought. Like you can just focus. Like it's so good. Okay. So basically my brothers just walked in and I'm getting ready to go over the exam. So I did some reading for chapters 9, 10, 11, and 12. And so now I'm going to go through some questions just to kind of get me ready for the exam on Monday, which is tomorrow. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to set my phone like on the side here. And then I'm going to get started. So I have everything sectioned off. So I'm going to start in order. I'll start with chapter 9. So I read the first question. And then I'm not going to read the answers. I'm just going to read the questions. That's all I'm going to do. I hope y'all can hear me, although I still have the music on. All right. So the first one, it says, oh, I think I lost a follower. It's like they're going back and forth. It's okay to follow me, guys. You ready for these questions? Y'all like government? All right, so I'm not going to give you the answers. I'm just going to ask the questions, and then you can answer them if you know the answer. All right? All right, so this is really for me. I'm just going to like replay this video, and then I'll use the questions, and then I'll answer my own questions. So, all right, so the first one is, so describe the job by press secretary. Do you hear that? I'll read it again. So it says, describe the job by press secretary. What did Article 2, Section 1 do? What did the 12th Amendment do?
My dark circles are covered. CC Plus cream. This is my perfect foundation. I love that I can still...
Describe the importance of Super Tuesday. Describe the job by political consultant. Describe the stages for running for president. Describe the job by campaign manager. What is a canvassing board? What is the Corrupt Practice Act? What happens if no candidate receives 270 electoral college votes? Qualifications to run for political office. President's age. Citizen requirements. Resident requirements. Senator's age. Senator's citizen requirement. Senator's resident requirement. Representative age. Representative citizen requirement. Representative resident requirement. What is negative campaign tactics? Money spent on presidential campaign in 2004. Money spent on presidential campaign in 2008. Money spent on presidential campaign in 2012. Money spent on presidential campaign in 2016. What 5 presidents received the less popular votes but still became president? List and describe why people don't vote. Voting and elections. In 2000, who was the presidential candidates and how many electoral colleges? In 2004, who was the presidential candidates and how many electoral colleges? In 2008, who was the presidential candidates and how many electoral colleges? In 2016, who was the presidential candidates and how many electoral colleges? What methods are used to improve voter turnout? Congratulations, you've completed Chapter 9. Woo! Now let's go to Chapter 10.
PVP, polyethylene glycol, hooves, animal skin, sheep's wool, parabens, artificial colorants, talc.
High-speed rotary press impact on media. What is the Arbitron rating system? What is the Nelson rating system? What is the personal attack rule? What is the equal time rule? What is the purpose of Federal Communication Commission? Describe the purpose of political debates. What did 1930s fireside chats by Franklin D. Roosevelt do? Who were the two main people on conservative radio today? Who was Edward Noble? What was the Checkers speech? Describe the 4 C-SPAN channels. What is the criteria for selecting news stories? What is Watergate? What is a soundbite? What is the Children's Television Act? Identify and describe 6 functions of media. Telegraph impact on media. Associated Press, what did it do? What is yellow journalism? What did KDKA do in 1920? What did NBC Radio do in 1926? Who was involved in the first TV presidential debate? What are the top 3 newspapers in the country based on curricular figures? My apologies, I read that question wrong. Let me read it again. What are the top 3 newspapers in the country based on circulation figures? What is muckraking and who created the term? Describe the role media advertising has had on the newspaper industry and on the political system? What is Amber Alert? What book did Upton Sinclair write in 1906? What were the original 4 TV networks between 1928 to 1944? Very good. You completed chapter 10. Woo! Now let's go to chapter 11. House and Senate statistic demographics. House. How many districts? House. How many year terms? House. How many members? House. Are there more or less rules? House. Is there limited or extended debate? House. What's the average campaign cost? House. What's the average age? Senate. How many districts? Senate. How many year terms? Senate. How many members? Senate. Are there more or less rules? Senate. Is there limited or extended debate?
I'm not even sure what I like. Some guys like.
Senate. What's the average campaign cost? Senate. What's the average age? Very good. Standing committee. List and describe the 5 jobs of a congressperson. Describe how a bill becomes a law. House of Representative leadership. Who are the current leaders? Speaker of the House. Majority Leader. Majority Whip. Minority Leader. Minority Whip. Senate leadership. Who are the current leaders? President of the Senate. President pro tempore. Majority floor leader. Majority whip. Minority floor leader. Minority whip. Describe the rules of incumbency in campaigns. What is gerrymandering? What is apportionment? What is male apportionment? Baker versus Carr. Westbury versus Sanders. Reynolds versus Sims. What is the congressional record? What is franking privilege? What is the 17th Amendment? Perks and privileges of Congress. What is the salary? What is the salary for Speaker of the House? What is the salary for House and Senate? What are other privileges in Congress? Congratulations, you completed chapter 11. Now let's move on to chapter 12. What is the purpose of the Cabinet Department? List and describe the 6 jobs of the president. What is the job of the White House Chief of Staff? Describe the impeachment process. What is the 25th Amendment? What is the 22nd Amendment? What is the War Powers Act? What are the 3 informal powers of the president? What 3 presidents have been impeached? What is the presidential pay? Congratulations, you've completed chapter 12. Woo! We're all done. So that completes our review for chapters 9, 10, 11, and 12. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I wish y'all well. Bye-bye.